I don't make any money on any of these products, on any of the sales. I'm just providing a reference for you. I haven't been paid to introduce any of these tools to you. All right, welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Change of scenery here if you've been watching the playlist. I guess if you've been watching it in reverse order actually, so you'll see a change of scenery here in a second. If you're watching it normal, we're gonna look at this launch scan tool here. It's pretty similar to the top-down one just behind this in the playlist, I believe is gonna be. Looks like this. I'll give you a close-up here in just a second, and we'll kind of do what you'll expect to go through in an unboxing and what sort of features this scan tool has. Here's the scan tool up close enough. You've got your power button on the top here. It is a wired connection. It's not Bluetooth, and then you can charge it through this little port. Nice thing about this is if you get to charge a tool, it'll power on when you plug it in, and it's pretty similar to the top-down scan tool in the video just past this. So you click the power button, turn it on, and we may be out of battery. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'll show you what it looks like when it turns on. Super comfortable to hold with your fingers on the back here. Pretty simple. It's got some speakers in there, so it does make some noise at you when you click buttons and click on different features. We'll let that power on, and I'll show you when you unbox it. This comes flat in the box. That's protected by some styrofoam padding. Simple little box here. Here's your little connector. Okay, we are fully charged. I just hadn't powered it on yet. Yeah, again, if you don't charge it, plug it in, but just trying to charge it. It's got your normal little 5 to 9 volt circular plug there. Don't keep mine in the case, keep it in my charging station. This will do DTCs, ECM stuff. Gear relearn, I believe, is what that symbol means. SRS, ABS, and oil reset. So very, very similar to the top-down scan tool. Launch is a very well-known brand among the scan tools. This isn't bidirectional, but unlike some of their other products that are bidirectional, you never have to pay for updates on this one. It's lifetime free updates. That's awesome. You can check your mail here. So that's super nice. You can upgrade it, settings. This is very, very similar to the top-down one that we looked at in the next video. However, this one doesn't have any button controls. It's all touchscreen. You can check your battery voltage with just a little graph here. Your reset features here, which are the same. Brake reset, oil, SRS, electronic throttle, and TPMS. So if you want to do any of those, you just click that. Emissions readiness, OBD2, where you can look up, or you can automatically look up your vehicle here with auto detect. However, with these companies, they have a demo mode, which is awesome because if you're learning about how to use your scan tool, you don't have to go out to the vehicle to try it out. You can sit at your desk and look at the demo mode, and that helps for actually making these videos. So we'll enter the demo mode. There you go. Health report, system scan, system selection. So every time I ever do these, plug these into a vehicle, first thing I do is a health report. It'll show you all the fault codes there are. We'll enter into the ECM, all the fault codes there are on the systems that these scan tools read. Doesn't look like it can do anything bidirectional, but you can look at the live data, freeze frame, and look at the data stream. So we'll click on the data stream. We will select everything except for that one I just touched instead of the OK button. You can hear the touches. That's those little speakers. That's nice. And you can go through here and look at all the individual data. You can go to different screens like that. But luckily, you can combine. You can actually record as well, but you have to record before you combine. So you can hit record. That'll save it to your files. You can email yourself these reports, just like the other ones. They're all going to be past this. Well, I'm sure some of them before this will do it as well. Then we can combine. Let's see how many we can combine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, maximum of 4. So then you hit OK, and it will combine them on a graph there. It's recording that. So then again, afterwards, you can email that to yourself with a report. That's super nice to show your customers or whoever. If it's for your own personal records and your write-ups. So again, comparing fuel trims, O2 sensors, stuff like that, when you need to compare two different signals, that is excellent. So there you can save that to the files and send them to yourself afterwards. Nice little tool. Something that I would definitely consider DIY level, like the top-down in this instance. I'll probably go with this one over it, but that's for you to decide. That's why I'm making these references. Lifetime updates is great. That is not to say that there are no more software upgrades or that you never have to upgrade it, like those really old school, all they do is show you the DTCs, OBD2 readers. that one, at least, the launch isn't going anywhere. The company's going to continue putting out software, and you can upgrade it. You just never have to pay for it. So that's a job well done. Check out the similar scan tools in the description and that spreadsheet as well on the website. There's the links and any pertinent information I can provide that makes sense at the top of the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. That's a job well done.